Welcome to Affiliates Corner. Gee, my suit looks familiar. I'm Woody Keller.
And I'm Keith Tay.
And I'm Rob Ruff, the patient of the day.
Rob, where do you work?
I work for Homebridge Financial Services.
And what do you do?
I am a mortgage loan originator.
And what does that do?
I put people in debt. I sell money. Basically, somebody's shopping for a house. I'm a residential mortgage loan officer, and people looking for a house, I help them get into it.
As a mortgage broker,
Banker,
mortgage banker, you have lots of different programs that you can offer these clients.
Yes.
So now you don't have one product, that's it.
Now, basically, I always look at my job as being the filter. I take in all their information and then spit out the options that will work best for them. Whether it be the money factor, the credit factor, or just at the end of the day, the most important thing is that they're happy and they're comfortable writing the check. Because it really does. For years, even through the no-doc years, I always ask, where would you be comfortable with the monthly payment? Because it doesn't really matter what we can do for them if they're not going to be happy. Because you need a happy client at the end of the transaction to keep the wheels rolling.
Yes.
So you've worked with the realtors, with the Ocean County Board of Realtors for a long time.
Yeah. Too long.
But you have a great following.
Right.
Does it come basically out of here? Do the realtors use you, or they call in?
Yeah, I'd say my business now, because I've been doing this since 1987. So my business is mostly realtor based, and then the second biggest chunk is actually my old clients. But the vast majority of my referral sources are from real estate agents.
It's interesting to hear the stories on the different committees that I belong to, with different mortgage folks, including you too. And you never realize from our point of view, from the outside point of view, looking at what you do, all the difficulties that you encounter just to get the loan closed. How do you survive?
Humor. You've got to take everything. I always say you got to spray a little Teflon on and let the crap bounce off. You can't absorb it all. You go nuts. But the big thing is just you can't put your head in the sand either. You got to the hard stuff. You got to approach immediately. The easy stuff usually goes through without you set it up, put it on the conveyor belt. It goes.
Right.
The more difficult things, you've just got to be on the phone a lot. And the problems we've had mostly over the last couple of years has really been more outside. We have settlement officers, we'll call them, that fire their good people because they cost too much in a slower economy. And then now you're doing everybody's job, and putting out their fires. It's one thing to put your own fires out. That's pretty easy to do. But when it's somebody else's mistake, it's that much harder. You become more the therapist than the mortgage guy. So
you deal with money. Lots of money. What's the difference between a mortgage company, a mortgage bank, and a bank? Why should we come to you?
Well, there's like you work in a bank. Everybody knows what a bank does. You're a source of the money. There's the mortgage broker, which I'm not. That's more of the middleman that goes outside to other places. I'm a mortgage banker. We are the lender. The only thing we do is mortgages. We're what the industry calls a seller servicer, where we basically process, underwrite, close, and we even service our loans. So kind of one-stop shop just for mortgages. So we don't do anything else. So if we don't do mortgages well, we're in trouble.
You don't close them.
That makes that process go quicker then by doing them all one stop.
Well, I know who everybody is along the way, so it just makes it a little easier. Okay. I've worked other places before, other types of companies in the past, and for me, I fit very well in the mortgage banking environment.
Nice. Great. So you're not coming to work for us.
No.
Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.